Hello little childs, welcome to our channel Little's Learning TV. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cute duck. It's colorful duck. Let's start. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.